Hi everybody and welcome to the next video in our Moodle 3.4 tutorial series. In this video we're going to start exploring the world of labels and what that means in Moodle 3.4. So what you can use a label for is a variety of different things, and it will help you to make your class more interesting and more robust, and it will basically separate stuff from each other. So that way you can make things a little bit more visually appealing to your students. So we're going to use the example of adding an image as you go through your class. So that way, as your students navigate through it, it's just appealing to them and it makes them want to learn more. So to start, we have to go up to the upper right-hand corner here and turn our editing button on, as we always do when we want to make changes to our page. So I'm going to click my editing button on. And then I want to add an image to my Getting to Know You section here because I want the students to feel interested in starting to participate in this particular section. So to add a label, I would click Add an Activity or Resource, scroll down under Resources, and choose Label. So I have my rich content editor. So I can do something as simple as just, let's say I have assignments and I have tests and I have a focus question every week. I could just separate each week by those labels and then put the content underneath those labels. So you'd make an assignments label and then you'd put all the assignments that you were giving the students under that. Or you'd have a test label and then put all the tests that you were giving your student under that label. That sort of organizes it a little bit more. But we could take it further and we can add things like media, we can add videos, or we can add photos to make it a little bit more interesting. So to add a photo, I want to go up to my rich content editor here, click on the little image, and since I don't have the URL, I'm going to browse repositories, choose the file, and from my desktop, find the file that I want to add. In this case, I want to add the file called hello, and I press upload this file. So I want to change this size to 400, but you'll see that because I have auto size checked off, it automatically chooses a good ratio for this particular photo so that it makes sense in fitting on my Moodle page. So you also want to give a description for this image, so we'll just call it hello. And if I want to change the alignment here, I can. So let's say I want to just say middle and press save image, and there's my image. So now that we have our image added, we press save and return to course. And now under my Getting to Know You, I have this picture, this colorful hello picture, and underneath it I can start adding all of the assignments that are going to be associated with this particular section. So I want to shut my editing button off just so you can sort of see what it'll look like. And you can notice now as you go down and look, you have something that stands out a little bit more. So using labels allows you to add text, videos, images like we did here, so that way our class is a little bit more visually appealing and our students are able to sort of navigate through it easier and get excited about the things that they're going to learn in the future.